All right, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a really simple peach upside down cake, pancake style. Another little outdoor segment, very simple to do, easy on camping trips, easy with an outdoor grill, and you can do it indoors as well. So let's get into the recipe. All right, so here I have a pan that's been heating up on the hot coals for a minute, and we're just going to brown some butter in this pan. Put it back on the heat. So let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the milk solid's brown. Get that caramelization going. Almost there. That looks pretty good. Take it off. It'll continue cooking. Very nice. Brown butter's looking good. Nice and dark. Get my bowl. This is going to be used for the batter. And I'm going to split about half of this brown butter and keep the rest in the pan. Set this over to the side. Now I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the tomatoes in one of my most recent videos. And I'm simply just gonna torch the outside of the peach, and it's gonna remove the skin really, really easy. It just kind of puffs right off the flesh. These are really beautiful Georgia ripe peaches. Just got these a few days ago. Make sure you get this top portion too. And then they should just peel right off. Yeah, I could have torched that a little bit longer. Just like so. Man, these are good. I want to use these good pieces and just sort of slice them up as neat as you can. And we're going to fan them out on the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to put some brown sugar in the pan that had that brown butter, just on the bottom. And then these are going to go just kind of randomly. And then this one in the middle. Nice. Put that down right there. Get that nice and sizzling. It's going to start to mix with the brown sugar, the brown butter, and the peach juices are going to make this like peach syrup at the bottom. It's really, really good. Give this a good wipe. All right, so I got my bowl with brown butter. I'm going to add in my whole egg, brown sugar, and then give this a good whisk. Nice. Now I'm going to add in my baking powder, flour. You could sift it if you want. Milk and peach juice. And then a little bit of salt. Nice little pinch. Don't overmix. That is good just like that. Nice and fluffy from the baking powder. Beautiful batter. We're just going to pour this right over the top. Just like that. Boop. I'm going to let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just going to move this over to the side. It's going to be a little messy. That's all right. I'm going to cover this with a really nice hot bed of coals right off to the side so it does kind of like a soft bake. Cover this about 20 minutes or so. Take a peek. The top should start to really set in. The cake should be just about done, and then we'll flip it over and it should be good to go. If you guys want to do this indoors, it's going to be the same process all over again. You're just going to want to use a 375-degree oven for the same amount of time. All right, so that's baking. Should be almost finished, maybe 5-7 minutes more. I have some heavy cream, some brown sugar, a little vanilla, and I want to make some chantilly cream, or just some brown sugar and vanilla whipped cream. This is a little bit of ice water in a bowl, so if you're working outside making whipped cream, it's always really advantageous to have something cool as you're whipping, otherwise you're really battling the elements. Get a small bowl and a large bowl with some ice water, you'll be good to go. Brown sugar, a little bit of vanilla, not too much because it's expensive, just need just a little bit, just like that. Give this a good whisk. Almost there. Just want it so it can hold its shape, not over whipped. That's getting pretty close. It's about where you want it. All right, so set this to the side. Everything a good wipe down. And then we're gonna check out our peach upside down pancake. Oh, hey little chickens. I guess they decided to come say hi. My executive producers. All right, let's check this out. I'll pull this off, let this cool down for just a minute. This should just come right out once I flip it over. All right, moment of truth. Ooh, yeah. You have a little bit of that glaze left over in the pan. You top it. Let that cool for a minute. I'm going to slice it up and serve it nice. I'm just going to slice a little wedge. Super tender. Crazy. Just like so. Oh man, that's crazy. All right. Nice little slice of peach cake. A little bit more of that peach caramel. And then of course a nice little dollop of that brown sugar chantilly cream. Just like that. Peach upside down cake. Must try. This is a must try recipe. Super easy. It's such a seasonal cake. It matched just perfectly. A little bit of that grill smoky flavor, just a tiny bit, and you have all these other robust caramelized flavors with the peaches, the sugars, the brown butter, and of course the brown sugar whipped cream just sets it off. Really good recipe, guys. You guys should definitely try this out. If you guys enjoyed the recipe, subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below if you guys want to see more recipes like this, and I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks. Man, this is good.